Looking to spruce up your home without spending a fortune?
Today, I'm sharing easy and inexpensive home updates you can do yourself.
These projects are simple, budget-friendly, and will give your home a fresh look. 1. Freshen up with a coat of paint.
One of the quickest and most affordable ways to transform any room is with a fresh coat of paint. Whether you want to go bold with a featured wall or freshen up tired, worn walls, paint can make a massive difference. And don't forget your skirting boards and doors. A crisp white on trims will really lift your space.
A couple of paint tins and a weekend is all you need. 2. Swap out old light fixtures.
Next, let's talk lighting. Swapping outdated light fixtures for modern, stylish ones can totally change the vibe of your home.
Pendant lights in the kitchen or a statement chandelier in the dining room can make a space feel completely new. And don't worry, many light fixtures are easy to install yourself, or you can ask an electrician for a quick hand. 3.
Add new handles and knobs. This next tip is simple but so effective. Replace your old kitchen cabinet handles or doorknobs.
It's a small detail, but upgrading to trendy or sleek hardware can give your kitchen, bathroom, or even bedroom a modern feel.
Plus, it's super affordable and something you can do in a day. 4.
Install peel and stick backsplash or tiles.
If your kitchen or bathroom needs a facelift but you're not ready for a full renovation, try peel and stick backsplashes or tiles. These are renter-friendly, inexpensive, and easy to install.
You don't need any special skills or tools, just measure, peel, and stick.
The result?
A stylish, upgraded look without breaking the bank.
5.
Refresh your flooring with rugs. Lastly, if replacing your flooring is out of the budget, rugs are your best friend. A well-placed rug can cover up old carpets or dull flooring and instantly add warmth, texture, and style to a room.
You can find affordable options at your local shop, and there are so many styles to choose from.
Let's recap the 5 easy updates you can tackle this weekend. Freshen up with paint. Swap out light fixtures. Upgrade handles and knobs.
Use peel and stick backsplash.
Add stylish rugs. With these simple projects, you can completely transform your space without breaking the bank. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more home improvement tips.
See you next time.